Hey and welcome to Alt1. In this video I'm going to show you how you can trade very easily. If you're professional or if you're a beginner, this strategy works for both of you. And it's so easy that you get shocked at how easy you can make money with binary option, because many will tell you it's just luck. Trust me, it's not. My strategy basically will give you 7 wins out of 10 average, and this is numbers that I have been trading live now for 1 year and 8 months, and I only have 15 lost times. So it's more than 400 times I've been trading and only lost 15 out of them. Okay, so that's how good this strategy is. Okay, now before we get to strategy, make sure you subscribe to my channel, like this video, and turn the bell notification on so you never lose a video just like this one. The reason for that is also I do trade live, okay, where you can basically just join me and trade together with me. When I now show you the strategy, I will also explain for you how I do in the live session, so it's very easy for you to join me and trade together with me. Okay, second of all, make sure you sign up with this broker. If you have this broker from before, make sure, and I will explain to you why, make sure you close down your old account. You don't need to do it for me, do it for yourself, and then withdraw your money. I will explain. You have two things that makes sense with this. First of all, you're not allowed to have two accounts per broker option, so you need to do that part. Okay, when you withdraw your money, deposit again under my link. When you deposit more than $100, you will get 50% extra. So suddenly there you get more money as long as you have more than $100 in your old account. Okay. Second of all, with me you're getting a super account. That means I give 60% of my own affiliate income back to you in form of cashback. That means every time you take a trade, you get a small percent of what I would have earned every time you do a trade. This is paid to your account every single Monday. So make sure you take advantage of this. This is forever. Using the link if I'm below the video, you will forever have this advantage. Okay. Now I will get to the strategy. I will explain to you how I'm trading and all this good stuff, so you can start making money today, or you can just join me in the live stream. So let's get to it. So now I will see if I find good trading areas. I don't care that much if it's 68% or whatever now. No, it's to find good areas. So you can see up here, for example, here you have a good selling area. You see that's a strong resistance. So if, for example, this was live also, I would say when you come up to this red line, the red resistant line up here, every time you get up there, we just push lower. It's that simple. For a support, I would say down here is a good one. Then would be this way. I will put my line there. Every time the bar comes down to this region here, we basically just push up. It's that simple. That is how easy we trade. Now you ask, why don't put here? I do put some limits. I try to figure out the high and the low over a specific long time. The ones in between, they can easily break. Okay, so I try to keep with that. Now, what we need to be aware of here, we do see that we have a trend upwards, so pay attention for things like this. I will show you. We can easily see that we have a trend. If you let me, there. You can easily see that you have a trend going upwards. That means, yes, he might break this one. So maybe this was a bad example. I would not have traded this live, this resistance here, because he might break it, because we can put this in the bottom line. Then we can, okay, let me see, there. So you see now he's breaking it maybe. So that's what I'm telling you. Only after, because here you get more something more like a squeeze, and he's pushing them upwards. Okay. So in this case, I would not trade this one, but this is things you learn yourself to see. Now you see while I was putting this trend line, you see he broke up, and was something we basically expected also. I was just a little fast to show you this area we could have traded, but under a live session where I trade, we would have taken our time to do it properly. So that is something you need to be aware of. If you can draw a line, be careful, okay? Because these trend lines, that's something that you need to put into your trading. And if you don't want to learn these type of things, just make sure you join me in the live session and you can basically copy what I'm doing, okay? Now, as I have shown you how you're going to trade, now I will basically show you maybe one trade if I can find any, and we can see if we can take a trade live, okay? So let's get to that. Now let's see if we can find ourselves a good trading opportunity. Do you know what? I do like this area in the top here. What's the top over here? If you can get up there again, that would be something I would love to trade. Let's see. If you get up there again, I will take it. Let's see. Now we just need to wait. Let's see. Now we are just waiting. Come on now. And come on. No, don't looks like we're getting this one. Let's look more. I do love this one. Let's change. I will don't have time. This let's play. This is green, okay? Don't have time to change it. Do I? Yeah, I'm in. We are in there now. Now we just need to wait 54 seconds. Okay, let's see now. We need to wait ourselves another 42 seconds. The thing is, with trades like this, 7 out of 10 trades you will win. Just keep to the strategy. Be calm. Yes, you can lose, but you will lose 3 out of 10 if you just keep to the strategy, okay? So now let's see. If we win this one now, we are making ourselves a sweet $90. That is good in my book. So now let's see. Now we just need to wait another 10 seconds and we can collect some sweet dinero. Plata, pengar, money, whatever you feel for. There you have it, $90. So, if you want to trade together with me, like I said, I do trade live, you can follow me. And if you want to trade by yourself, well, you can do that also. But make sure you take advantage of my super account. Make sure you take advantage of the promo code that is included in the link. You find the link below the video. And I really hope I see you in Discord, so you can trade together with me there. Link below the video for Discord also. But once again, make sure you subscribe to my channel, turn the bell notification on, and help me out and like this video. So with that, have an amazing day.